With cities like Makkah and Medina, Saudi Arabia generates most of its revenue from oil. To further stabilize its economy and reduce the dependence on oil, the country has started projects like the Jeddah Economic City, part of Saudi Arabia's 2030 vision, where the state planned to raise Jeddah's state in the world. It is an elevated construction, roughly 3 times the Manhattan size. The primary purpose in mind here is hosting commercial and residential products, including homes, hotels, and offices. This project will be a game changer, and around 2 million new citizens will be able to dwell in it. As it is written on the wall that a massive project of this size isn't going to be cheap and easy, and a considerable sum is needed to see it in its full glory. Its cost estimates are around $23 billion. Talking about the Jeddah Tower, the building situated in the city of Jeddah was presented to the masses as the tallest building of the future, and it is funded by Prince Al-Waleed bin Talal. The primary purpose in mind here is housing commercial and residential products, including homes, hotels, and offices for the masses. Along with other benefits, this project will be a game changer. As we know, a massive project of this size isn't going to be cheap and easy, and a considerable sum is needed to see it in its full glory. The initial cost of this 1,000-meter mega-tall structure was around $1.2 billion. The structure, formerly known as the Kingdom Tower, will be a place to the world's highest observatory, currently surpassing Shanghai. It will also have a separate 98-foot diameter outdoor balcony, previously intended to be a helipad, but given the structure's height, it was impossible to land one there. Its form is interesting for a tower of its size. The 3-pedal system allows separate extrusions to push against one another, while the contour is inspired by folded fronds of young desert plant growth. The building does join the ground in a nuanced and thoughtful way. Transportation routes crisscross around it, and the plinth melds in with its urban surroundings. Jeddah Tower will have 59 elevators and 12 escalators. 5 of these elevators will be double-decker to take its admirers to the observatory in just 67 seconds. The lifts will not reach the speeds of standard elevators, as the air pressure change at those altitudes would cause nausea. These sky lobbies will stop an elevator from having to go all the way to the top, eliminating the need for excessively huge cables. It has high-tech features, a high-performance exterior wall system, including low-conductivity glass, which will minimize energy consumption by reducing thermal loads. There are super cool patios all along its 3 sides. Each side features a series of shaded containing 80,000 tons of steel. Building such ambitious projects requires a lot of skilled individuals. Both key personnel, Prince Al-Waleed bin Talal and Bakr bin Laden, were arrested in 2017, courtesy of the Saudi Arabian purge. Both of them were arrested for corruption charges, but they got released after several months. Their release was subjected to an agreement in which the Saudi kingdom would be able to control most of their assets. At the beginning of this project, the construction process was rather steady. But after corruption charges followed by labor issues in 2018, because the bin Laden group failed to acquire funds to keep this construction process going, the establishment work was completed in December 2013, with a 5-meter thick best establishment over 270 records, every 1.8 meters in breadth, which go to the profundities of up to 105 meters. That's exceptionally strong with the pilot done over ground. Currently, the tower stands at 252 meters with 60 floors. But ever since there has been no progress. In 2020, the developers posted a video in which they were promoting the tower. And the video also said Vision 2030, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So at the earliest this tower might be complete is 2030, which is still about a decade away. The Saudi government has the money and the resources to continue with this project, and they certainly are going to do that. But as urban development surges even higher, it is only a question of time when the Jeddah Tower will lose the title as the tallest to the next structure. This time, it will likely be the tower at Dubai Creek Harbor, being developed by Emaar, with the architect and engineer SANTIAGO, CALATRAVA VALLS, as the main consultant on the project. So, guys, that was all about the failures of the tallest building in the world. How eagerly are you waiting for Burj Khalifa to get dethroned? Do give us your opinions in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, do leave us with a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.